Try to shake your head, Nelson. William, can you try to shake your head? Wow!
Bonjour Philippines! We're still in Baler right now and we're going to try surfing for the first time.
Yes, John, but before that we need to talk with local surfer and have some tips and also see why this place is so good for surfing. Let's check our level. Let's go!
Let's go!
Okay, it's Sunday morning. Now it's time to surf. We are a bit late. We was planning to start at 8.
At 6. It's 11.
It's 11, but apparently the wave at 11 are very good.
Yeah, that's
this
what
is the lunch wave.
What's up, Valerian? I know you want to be in the vlog.
She really wants to be in the vlog.
She's following
She's born to shine, but she didn't find her moments right now.
You're filming the sky right now. So Valerian, can you tell us a bit about you?
Yeah.
So I'm a friend of them.
Okay, fine.
Bye bye. This is Aldrin. Aldrin is here, huh?
Hey, Edwin.
Yeah. Who is Aldrin?
Edwin is here.
Yeah? What? Huh? You blush? You blushing?
I'm not blushing.
A bit of blushing. A bit of zoom, John, please.
I have sunburn.
Yeah. No.
Sunburn, guys.
Yeah. Aldrin. Why do you like Aldrin as a surf instructor?
Edwin is quite precise.
Yeah. Very
Detailed.
details.
Yeah,
It's very important for you to be detailed and
he
precise.
gives me good details.
Yeah.
To be honest, yeah.
I can't wait to see Adrian.
What about the There was a crash. Crash.
Maëlys, you ready for your lesson?
Without shorts, huh?
So what's your name?
Aldrin.
Aldrin?
Yeah.
Right. And that's why she wanted to be with Aldrin. And Nelson, why are you smiling, Nelson?
Happy. Okay guys, enjoy. Bye bye, Maëlys.
She's very happy, bro.
And I think she's very mad at me, at us.
Yeah, she's mad at us.
Enjoy, Maëlys. Bye. Probably he's saying like, you have beautiful eyes, Maëlys.
Let's do the dub.
Yeah.
Let's dub them.
Yeah. Hi, Maëlys. You have beautiful eyes. Yeah, I like your blonde hair, but you know I'm a very good surfer.
I have a really nice hair, also blonde like you. I think we're really good.
We are really good together, that's what you mean?
Yeah, sorry, I couldn't find my words.
Okay, Sege, let's wave together. Let's wave.
Yeah, okay, I'll follow you anywhere in Baler.
Anywhere in the world, Maëlys. Anywhere in the world, not only in Baler.
So, bro, what about us? I think we have to take our lessons also.
What's your name, sir?
Dave.
Dave?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Great. If we never surf, we are very bad.
First time, sir.
Yeah, first time, huh? I was born surfer, but I forgot to do it, so... Woo!
Go?
Like that?
Ouais, Nelson! Ouais! Success!
Great. Yeah. So we met William just earlier. He's from Switzerland and he's here in the Philippines, and we wanted to know more about why you are here, William. Why the Philippines?
Like first we are in Baler.
Okay.
Like why Baler? I don't know really.
Yeah, you don't know really?
Last year I was to San Juan. Do you know San Juan in Philippines?
Yeah,
Okay.
La Union,
Yeah.
right?
La Union, right?
Yeah.
And I would like to try like a new spot, and I think everybody knows Baler because they had like a movie. They filmed a movie here.
Yeah.
It's like Apocalypse Now.
I never heard about that. And no
you-
one told us that.
You should see this movie.
Okay, what is this movie?
Yeah, there's like a scene right over here filmed.
Yeah, okay.
And like it's a surf session, and after the movie they let the surfboard here, and the guys start surfing here.
That's,
No way.
that's the real explanation?
Yeah, I think so, but yeah, I heard about this story.
No one told us about this story.
And I would like to come here and see with my eyes.
Yeah?
Awesome.
What do you think about the wave? Like, let's talk about surf. Is it really good to surf? You try to
Like,
surf here, or
yeah,
is it?
We surfed this morning, it was
Yeah?
really big.
Yeah?
Because yeah, when you come from Switzerland, you're always like a beginner surfer. But
And if you compare with, have you been to Chiagao or not?
yeah, right. I'm going like next week, 2 weeks in Chiagao.
Okay.
Like Chiagao, it's really a dream place.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's crazy for surfing and just enjoying the life.
You like the Philippines?
Yeah, I love
Yeah?
it.
Well, why? Why do you like the
Right,
Philippines?
yeah, because the people, man, people are so friendly.
It's always like that. Every time it's people. I would
Yeah.
stop to ask this question because
And in-
everyone loves Filipino.
In Siargao there is Tanduay. It's like I'm cooked.
Okay, thank you so much, William. Thank you for
You're
your
welcome.
amazing. Yeah.
Nice guys.
And let's surf together because
Yeah.
I'm very good.
This afternoon. Like,
Yeah.
Right now it's not.
But
quite
maybe
good.
let's start with Tanduay first.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's Tanduay.
go.
Baler is a great place, especially for beginner because there is no reef. It's a long sand
Yeah.
beach.
So you won't go on the rock.
Yeah, and the waves are big and small. Us, we only took small wave. But let's be honest, the big wave was for the professional. Us, we are like some amateur.
Thanks, Baler.
It's a
We
great
love
place.
this place.
We love this place.
We love the surfing. We love the food.
We love the people.
Yeah, the people
are so
also.
chill. So that's just perfect for a surf trip.
Yeah. Thanks, guys. See you on the
Thank you.
next video.
Bye bye.
Check the other ones.
Yeah, here.
Here and here.